Hello everyone, welcome back to Jobs with Education channel. Today topic is how to download the content from Netflix. You know that Netflix is most popular in whole world to watching movies and TV series etc. online. So nowadays a lot of people asking me that how you can download a Netflix content online because Netflix haven't given access to all of them. So in this video I will guide you that how you can download the TV series and movies from Netflix account. Before that I have already done the video and uploaded on my channel that how you can crack the Netflix free for lifetime. You can be able to download the Netflix application by Mods APK that I have already mentioned in the video. I also mentioned the link in the description. You can also check it as well. Before we go, I request you, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe it and click on bell icon so you will see my latest and informative videos on my channel. So firstly, let me show you that how you can find the download options on the Netflix application. So here firstly let me show you another method that how you can download the application of Netflix. First, it's totally free, and after I will show you that how you can download the content of Netflix like movies etc. as well. So here I have opened the Chrome. You can firstly write Netflix by APK Fox. So this is another method for downloading the APK file of Netflix. So it's totally free. You don't need any subscription for that, to purchase anything, an account, and to watch the movies online. So just go there by using my steps. So you can be able to download the APK file from them and you can enjoy the movies and TV series etc. So firstly you open the first link, Netflix Mods APK. I have opened the link. So here you can see that they have mentioned the description and features of that application. So this is basically for the development purpose and it is mod APK file. So here we can scroll down and find their download option on that. So here you can see each and every feature of that, version info, last updated is July 9 and type is mod APK and the size and version as well. So here we can see the download option. Here you can see we have download now. Let me click on the download now button. So I have downloaded it and it moves toward there another page where you can download this file on your device as well. So here you can see Netflix application and its developer Netflix and the size mentioned there. You can read and see their features, updated features and updated content on that website as well. Let me download the application. So here you can see, do you want to download Netflix? Yes, I want that. I downloaded the application and here is downloading now. So when the download will be complete, so I will show you that how you can see their content and as well as to download this on your device, and you can watch it later as well in that section. So when I see the download is complete. Let me open this from here. So I open it and it's want me to install it on my device. I click on install button and then it's installing now. It takes some times to install it. Then after it can show me that a lot of contents TV series and movies on that, and after I can play any content from them. Let me open this. Yeah, Netflix is opening and it will show me the lot of content. In before video I have already discussed with you that you can do this step by downloading it, but this was another method of the Netflix application. So here you can see that I have downloaded the Netflix application, and here you can watch any content. A lot of movies and like TV series are showing there. Let me play any movie, so we'll see that like you can be able to watch and not. It's totally free, and here we can see that play the content from their application. So please wait, and yeah, it's downloading or it's playing the application. So now move toward the download option, that how you can download this. So now move toward that, and let me show you. You can go to Play Store and type AVD. It's basically download manager, AVD, and you can download this AVD, install. After install, you can like open it and go to their Netflix account as well. I will show you after installation, and we'll see that like you can be able to download the content from them or not. I have also explored it, and I can be able to download it. Let me open it first. Yeah, I have like given access from them, and let me open the Netflix application again. Let me close it and then reopen it, because it refreshes the like download options on that. And here we can see that. Let me open this movie, any movie, Outpost. I open it and click on their watch now button. Let me see that I can able to get the option of download or not. So I play. Yeah, you can see that in this section download with ADM, that I have downloaded the ADM Advanced Download Manager. So you can click on that, and it shows me like on the editor section the link and the name and the path as well. So I can name that it's Outpost movie and save it in my device and check that it's downloading or not. So you can see that it downloading the ADM or Outpost movie from ADM, and yeah, that's better. So you can see that after the download you can be able to watch it offline. So let me stop it now. Yeah, that's it. That's a good idea that I have find it now, and I share to you that you can be able to download and watch it freely on the Netflix content, and you can watch any content offline and as well, and it's able freely available for you guys to watch it in this like this pandemic situation as well. You at home, you can enjoy this watching TV series and movies. So I hope you like this video. If you have any queries about the Netflix installation, any issue about their like to how you cannot be able to download from ADM, so you can mention on the comment section. I will definitely reply you, and thanks for watching my channel.